Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how we can add a video to Mailchimp email. Now, first we need to make a campaign, and we can click right here, create. So we can create a campaign and let's choose regular email. I'm going to design an email right through here, and for the content, I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to go right here and wait for the page to load. As you can see, we have many elements that we can add into our email. I'm going to remove this picture block and I'm going to add video right through here. All is left to do is either to get a video URL, it could be YouTube, or basically upload one. We can upload it from here, or basically, let me just show you. We can have a lot of adjustments to the video. We can add some block color or background. We can make the video go to the left, to the middle, or to the right, and even view the picture that will be here. We can upload image so it can look as a thumbnail for the video before people clicks on it, or basically just keep it as it is and try to work on the visibility, which we don't have the access to it with the free version. Also, if you want to make it bigger, you can make it like that. Just work within this things right here. For example, here 20, 20, 20, and 20, and this will add a little bit of that details. You can work on the rotation of it or the corners, so we can make it more rounded. And yeah, that's pretty much all you can do within the video that you will be adding to your email on Mailchimp. So that was it. Once you're done, click on save, and now you have a template with a video in it that is ready to be sent to all the contacts that you have. So that was it for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.